There we go. My mic was not working. Input, what the hell? Oh, maybe it was. I don't know. It should be on this. This is what it should be working. I don't know if it sounds any better. I have to switch this over here too. Yeah. Well, what's up, dude? Hey, man. Bro, it doesn't. What am I on? Dude, alright, alright. Look. I don't know what platform you're on. You on it? I don't know what. I don't know what it is, man. We'll try chat box. Okay. Where? Why is it like all like big like that? I don't know. We can put it up there. So what's up, man? Do you how you doing tonight? Good. Okay. Let's see what we got a Discord server. There's a few people over there right now, but I'm gonna see if I can hit something here. I'm kind of curious to see if we can come back up here to 5018 again, and what we do here at 96. I'm kind of curious if we short it. Let me just see. We might miss it by the time I get done checking what's going on here. We're definitely bullish though, I think. Well, actually, no, fuck it. Excuse me. I'm gonna go. I mean, if this is any sort of trend right here, like something like that, um, we kind of broke out of the trend. But you can see that's kind of like, I kind of like trend lines, honestly, a little bit. But what the hell? Let me draw you. Fuck ass. There you go. Is that how they work? Something like that. Um, Oof. Well, I don't know. We might have just got lucky because I was about to frickin' um short right here, but I don't know. Maybe we go higher, bro. I don't know. Like try 97. God, that's so funny. This old J block from like a long ass time ago. I don't even know. Well, like last time I was using Top Step or what, and it like frickin' it's like still here. Um, wow, it's kind of wild. So really, what I want to see here too. Let's check out gold real quick though. So we're on an uptrend. I think. I think it's uptrend. So like this. Would really want to see if we can get in. I don't know. I feel like that 13 entry was pretty good. Maybe we can get in on a retest of 18. 18's been pretty popular all day. I've noticed a lot of 18 happening. So this, that was like interesting. I just love it. I mean, you can almost draw like a random line and it's going to get picked up somewhere. So I don't really know if I want to go like long that high, but this J block is hilarious. I don't know what it is. Actually, it could be a J block, could be an FEG. I don't know, but it's like it's being irrelevant. Oh, dude, I left my tea downstairs, bro. What's up, Jay? What are you doing? I thought you'd be over enjoying Breezy. What's he done? But yeah, this J block, dude. I was just telling people like this. I don't know the last time I used Top Step, right? And I don't know what this is, or a J block or FEG. I think it's an FEG. I think it's a J block. But it's been like playing out like crazy. So let's see, dude. If it's gonna break out here, 907. Honestly, okay. So we're gonna look at like a retest to 18 here, and then let's see what we do in 17, 917 on MNQ. I'm gonna try to get something. Um, it's funny that this trend line that I drew, I don't know, that 1 minute candle like just bounced right off of it. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. I don't know if I drew these right. I don't know if it should be on the body or the wick, but I think it should be more like on the body. But it's interesting. I mean, I thought we looked like we're sort of in a downward channel, but if we're breaking out here, I definitely will see if we can go for a retest. Bro, like this right here, honestly, 97. And to be honest, I longed it earlier. You can see here 897 to 925. I don't know. I moved it to 25 because it's top of this J block, but um, I should have left it at 31. But yeah, because that was my original target, whatever. But see, then it still respects the top of this random J block from like 20 years ago. Um, let's see. I mean, we can try. Honestly, I'm curious to see what happens. Maybe we can do a 907 long. Um, what do you guys think? I'm honestly like, I can do two. Maybe no, yeah, I'll do two up here too. Something like that, just in case, because it might just respect this J block. Like, oh my god, 37 points. I don't. Okay, no, that's fine. Maybe we go. Maybe it ain't working. Maybe I was right. Maybe this is a downward channel, but we did break out of it. The only thing that I'm seeing now is kind of a little downtrend. Like we didn't make a higher high or nothing like that, but we'll see. And then if we want to make a higher high, we're gonna go for 950, 948, and then I don't know, something like this. A little trim here. We'll see what happens. Could come down here to like 80, 87 or something. I ain't playing though. And what did it do? What gold do? It just totally bounced off the high here. Interesting. Subskibo, dude. What was I doing? So this, let me check something here. Oh wow, the hell. Oh, that's on kick. Oh wait. Yo. Oh, good with green. Yo, super green. Just kidding. Dude, this J block is gonna kill us, man. What am I doing? You don't want to disrespect the J blocks. Look at this. What did it come down? Came down to like 900, I guess. 907, honestly. Did I try 907? That's what I did, yeah. It's gonna kill us, Jay. Why'd you invent these things? Because it's gonna destroy us right now. What's up, Dubs? What's up, man? You've put out any fires today, Skibbo? I know this kind of looks bad right here, but honestly, this 97 entry would have been way better. But Jay, this thing, there it goes. What are we hoping for here? About 15 points. Okay. Let's go. Dude, what did gold do? That's wild. So that just dropped. Bro, down to 11 again. That is so weird. Actually, I think I kind of called that, but um, I mean, I took 11 earlier, like 5011, and I didn't want to like do it again. And look at my exit. It was so stupid. Uh, 18, and it went to like 33. So I don't know. How'd you guys do today, man? This week's been brutal, guys. Like, I've learned a lot of lessons this week, I think, and like last week and the week before, even though those last weeks were better, like overall as far as P&L goes, but like like I learned a lot of lessons about volatility like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago with silver and gold, all that craziness. Like I felt like I learned a lot then trying to like pick up these lessons, and like walk away with them. This week has just been like bad, just brutal, like ruthless. And I've honestly today, like my live this morning, I'm like, I'm not gonna play the insider range. I'm not gonna try to play the breakout. I'm gonna play a breakout and a retest, right? There's a difference in trying to play the breakout. Like you try to get in, kind of like what I'm not really doing it here, but because I don't think there really is like a. I mean, maybe there's a range, kind of, but not really. Like this, like you're trying to play the breakdown, like so you get the break and it comes up, like 860 or something, like the bottom of this, whatever. You try to play the short. I mean, maybe it worked here a little bit, but you try. I don't know. Maybe I'll show you over here like this. Yeah. So I would actually that was relevant. 73 all day today. Wait, what did we get filled? Did we get trimmed? Oh, nice. We're yeah. Okay, cool. I'm going break even, boys. Let's do it. What am I up? 80 bucks. Okay. We won 948. And honestly, you do like 25,000. Oh fuck it. I mean, excuse me. I might just do something like that. And I'm gonna move this under just a couple points. That was a good play though, guys. That's pretty cool. I just kind of wait. Hold on, Dubs. What's up? Two. So you're doing pretty good, and it's funny to see. Like, it's really interesting to see. Like, even weeks like this. Like, it's my perspective, right? I mean, it's bad for me, but other people are still succeeding. It's interesting to see like who's doing good, who's not in times like these, right? And then kind of what the difference is, what's going on. And I don't know, it's just interesting to look at that information. So, oh my God, what the hell, dude? Bro. So 18.9. Um, I'm gonna try to get in here maybe. I did say I called it out. I was gonna play the breakout here. You might even want to add here 26 or something if you can maybe get one. I don't know, could all be bad. I'm gonna put one. Um, you know what I'm saying? Like it's interesting. So Dubs, you've been doing great, man, and I'm happy for you, dude. But it scares me, and I'm like, I hope, I hope he keeps doing great, because it's been fucking. Excuse me, it's been kind of rough for me, Yeah, good. You managed to play the range, dude. That's right. I mean, if you can do that, I mean, it works. But the range is it's been like very, very wide, right? And like these candles have been huge, and it'll kill you. At least me, right? But I mean, that's good. Yeah. But the range has been consistent. Yeah. Top Gun's pretty good, man. He's like, dude, if the setup's there, I'm taking it, bro. That's what he does. So I'm gonna trim two here though. Let's see, what are we in at? What were we in at originally? I don't know. 911. So like we'll do like 41. I don't know. 30 points. No, 48 is pretty good. Um oh my god, this gold though, dude, bro. We called that. I mean, I took I took 511 earlier, so I didn't really want to take it again. I almost longed 513, but we saw that coming. Maybe we get a retest of the high, but yeah. Anyways, well, he's like, dude, if the setup's there, because I was kind of trading like that for a while, like real rapid fire. And I'm like, dude, I'm like over trading and stuff. And he's like, dude, well, if the setup's there, and he'll be like long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, and then like it's crazy. But I kind of got like that too, and I'm not like near his level or nothing, um, but I'm saying if the setup's there. But yeah, so it's good to see you're doing good, man, and like so like PA like this, it's been noticeably different. Like we had the huge volatility weeks. We kind of had some like I don't know. I think it was volatile last week, and then this week has just been like these ranges of death. But looking at that and trying to adapt, and then learning these lessons, like and I think the underlying lesson is like you do what you say you're gonna do, which is it applies to everything, right? Like if you say I'm not gonna play the middle of the range, don't play the middle of the range. If you say you're not gonna play the breakout, don't play the breakout. Like the stuff, like identify the stuff that's knocking you down and just don't do it. And just don't do it. Right. And that's how you adapt. And that's why I feel like I've learned a lot of these lessons. Like hopefully they stick. But the thing is, like, if market conditions change, maybe it won't apply. But I think I'll walk away with some stuff anyways. We'll see what happens here, though. I think. Let me look at the actual. It'd be interesting if we just get a double top. That would kind of suck. I don't really want to go break even, but what, 4 points on 3 contracts, something like that. We might get stopped. What were we up? 11. So we were up, I don't know, 20 points or so. Whatever. Let's see what happens on gold. I think my dinner's ready though soon. Dude, he's taught, like literally taught classes, like rooms full of people how to trade. Like like firms or hedge funds or whatever would hire him or he would work for him. He's got all this material, like he's got it down, dude. And he was a fighter pilot. Like I'm surprised he wasn't an astronaut. Anyways, where are we going here? We're gonna try to make a higher high. 38. I don't know. Maybe this all ends bad. We're about to get wrecked over here. That's why you don't play the breakout. Hey, but this was a good setup. I mean, we had the break, and I said I was gonna retest. I was gonna play the retest. We're in at 18.9. I mean, that's what I'm doing, and I'm not. I'm playing 5 points a stop, which is like because I got the risk set at like 150. But now we're basically like, hold on, I'm gonna move this under 907. Oh well. So we gave back like $80. Damn. Oh well, so much for the. Oh well, that was a J block play. But 907, is it gonna get us? Maybe not, boys. Maybe we're still in the game. This will get us over here though. Maybe. I don't know. Dude, I'm that sucks that didn't hold. You get these false breakouts. I guess that's what's kind of been happening, right? I don't know. We're back down. Yeah, it's gonna get us this time. I don't know. We're patient. No, we're done. Back to where we started. Let's see. So you don't want to get like, I mean that double topped right there. So we could have shorted that, but hopefully I was just trying to get continuation. We had a decent setup, and now we're under. It's coming back to retest our level. So unless it goes above here, like, this is kind of looking bad over here. And this did the same thing over here. It came down, tested 907 a little bit, and then keeps going. But yeah, yeah, right. What's up, Will? Eric, what's up, man? What are you doing? Anything tonight? Did you hit the gym? Did you get some pizza? What am I? Oh, dude, good for you. I hit the gym late today. I had to take the kids. I picked the kids up and I went. Um, yeah, I went after school. My gym's got like a daycare or whatever, so like a kids like play area and shit. So it's kind of cool. They can hang out there for like 2 hours. Nice hot tub, dude. You got a hot? I got canceled too. God damn it. Well, anyways, guys, I did what I said I was gonna do. I was gonna play the break and retest this high. It didn't happen. What we should have done was longed 11, like I talked about. That would have been nice. Over here, I don't know what NQ's doing. It's like came up here, got a double top, so we might go lower, but I just don't. I don't think it. I don't think it wants to. Maybe, but we are kind of like in a down trend, like I said. But it seems like we kind of maybe we didn't. I don't know. So see, maybe I'm not. I don't want to get like too confident yet, but yeah, because I feel like I was getting kind of cocky for a while, but I don't know. You don't want to start thinking you're like super good, right? You want to like not be good. I suck. So, and it's like I shouldn't even be involved. It's like, you look at your setup. If this and this happens, if the equation checks out, you just press the button. I'm a vessel. That's it. I'm nothing more. Man, I'm not gonna do anything else. I shouldn't. Look at this crap, dude. I can't believe that came all the way back down right off that. Jay, you're looking for like 880 or something, right? Is what you're shooting for like 880, dude. I would long to 73 though. I but I don't know. Maybe it comes all the way back down. Seriously. But 73 has been like paying money all day, big time. So what did we get? We got 20 points, then lost like 10 points. Maybe once VWAP. I don't even know what this blue line is. Oh, it's VWAP. So hold on. So if we, even if we had a 5 point stop on that, we would have got destroyed, right? 518. Yeah, we would have got wrecked. Um, should we see if 73 plays out? You're, yeah, you're going long at 80, right, Jay? I don't know. That double top looks nasty. Maybe I'm like taking too many things into consideration here. Oh, dude, I'm down to 1%. I was feeling pretty good. We were up over 200 bucks. That's probably when you should stop. Hey, Sonia, dinner? Dinner's ready? I still got. Okay, I gotta go. Yeah, dinner's ready. Anyways, up and down. Lessons learned, right? I don't know. It's still the PA is still kind of whack, honestly, and I don't really know if I really want to adapt to it. I'd love to see things kind of return to normal, but at the same time, what's normal? I mean, what is it? I don't know. And it could be me that's like off. Typically, like it's not the market, but there are different circumstances, right? The market does have different behaviors sometimes. So sometimes your edge, like it'll change, conditions change and your edge just doesn't work the same. Because I mean, that was clean right here. I mean, that was a pretty clean break. I think the only thing that we wouldn't have, yeah, we had a strong 5 minute close. 19, we got a bounce. We got a little bit of bounce right here. I mean, that was good. Look what the hell this is doing. We were in, um, what, right around here, right? 26. Oh no, nine. So 907. Oh yeah. I mean, that was like an extra 20 points. So it wasn't even close, but so right there, that's short on 98. Since we broke below, but so like this break and retest worked, but it just went up and took a double top. We should have just, I kind of got greedy, I think. I was hoping for some continuation, honestly, because like if we saw continuation, then I feel like things were kind of back to being good, but that's what I was really hoping for. But there was nothing wrong with this play at all. This was good. I mean, a little bit of a break, but dude, it's like, yeah. But the play we should have taken here was a 5-11 one. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you tomorrow or later. Yeah. Everybody have a good night. Protect your